Snoring is often treated like a joke. Many people laugh about it. Some even say snoring means someone is sleeping well. But the truth is, snoring is usually a warning sign that air isn't moving freely while you sleep. And over the years, I've seen many couples complain about poor sleep, relationship tension, and constant tiredness simply because of snoring. What many people don't realize is that sometimes the solution is not medicine. It is not complicated therapy. It can start with something as simple as how you use your pillow. Today, I will teach you how pillow positioning can reduce snoring and help you sleep more peacefully. Let's be honest, many Nigerian homes experience this situation. One partner sleeps peacefully, while the other partner stays awake all night because of loud snoring. Sometimes snoring doesn't just disturb sleep, it changes sleeping arrangements. One person snores confidently, the other quietly carries pillow and wrapper at midnight and relocates to the sitting room just to catch small sleep before morning. Over my 20 years working in the mattress and sleep industry, I have noticed that many snoring cases are linked to poor sleeping posture and improper pillow support. Snoring happens when air cannot move freely through your airway while you are sleeping. When your throat muscles relax too much or your neck position blocks airflow, the air vibrates the tissues in your throat. That vibration produces the sound we call snoring. Think of it like wind passing through a narrow pipe. When the passage is blocked or tightened, it creates noise. Your pillow plays a very important role because it controls the position of your head, neck, spine, airway. If your pillow pushes your head too forward or lets it sink too deep, your airway can partially close and snoring begins. From my experience in mattress and pillow production, many people choose pillows based only on softness or appearance. But pillows are actually sleep support tools. A pillow is meant to maintain proper alignment between your head, neck, and spine. When this alignment is correct, breathing becomes smoother, muscles relax properly, and snoring can reduce significantly. Unfortunately, many people use overly flat pillows, overly high pillows, old pillows that have lost support, pillows made from poor quality materials. All this can worsen snoring. Let me show you how you can use your pillow to reduce snoring. 1. Maintain proper neck alignment. Your pillow should keep your neck in a natural straight line with your spine. If your pillow is too high, your neck bends forward and restricts airflow. If your pillow is too flat, your head drops backward, which can also narrow the airway. 2. Use pillow height that matches your body type. Different body sizes require different pillow thickness. For example, people with broader shoulders often need slightly higher pillow support when side sleeping. Smaller body frames usually require medium or lower pillow height. Using the wrong pillow height can cause airway obstruction and worsen snoring. 3. Avoid using multiple stacked pillows. Many people stack 2 or 3 pillows thinking it improves comfort, but stacking pillows can bend your neck unnaturally and increase airway blockage. It is better to use one supportive pillow designed to hold proper head position. 4. Replace old or worn-out pillows. Just like mattresses, pillows lose support over time. When pillows become flat or lumpy, they cannot maintain proper neck alignments. Many people continue using pillows long after they have lost their structure. A pillow that no longer supports your neck can contribute heavily to snoring. 5. Consider pillows designed for airflow. Some pillow materials allow better air circulation. This helps reduce heat and sweating, which can also affect breathing comfort during sleep. A cooler sleep environment helps muscles relax naturally and reduces breathing disturbance. Quality sleep affects every area of your life. When snoring disturbs your breathing, your brain receives less oxygen. This can lead to daytime fatigue, poor concentration, mood changes, reduced productivity, increased health risks over time. Many people focus on improving their daytime performance, but ignore the quality of their nighttime rest. Improving your sleep posture using the right pillow is a simple but powerful step toward better health and better living. Over the years, I have learned that small sleep adjustments can create very big changes in people's lives. Snoring is not something you should ignore. It is often your body's way of telling you that your breathing and sleep support need attention. Your pillow is not just for comfort, it is part of your health support system. When your head, neck, and airway are properly aligned, your body can breathe freely, rest deeply, and recover fully. Better sleep does not always require complicated solutions. Sometimes it begins with correcting how you lie down at night. Because when you sleep better, you live better. If you would like more trusted sleep education, mattress knowledge, and lifestyle sleep tips, continue following this channel as we help you understand how to rest properly and improve your overall well-being. Until next time, sleep well, live better.